Imagine you're standing at the foot of a towering mountain, alone. No guide, no map, just you and the peak. Now imagine that mountain is Trello, a vast, complex tool with countless features. Can you conquer it alone? Today we're going to answer that question. Can I use Trello alone? And more importantly, should you? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what Trello is and why it's so popular. Trello is a visual collaboration tool that helps you organize tasks and projects. It's essentially a digital whiteboard where you can create boards, add cards, representing tasks, and assign them to different lists, representing stages or priorities. But here's the thing, Trello is incredibly versatile. It can be as simple or as complex as you need it to be. You can use it for personal to-do lists, team projects, or even complex business workflows. The solo Trello journey. So, can you use Trello alone? Absolutely. Here's a breakdown of how. Board creation. Start by creating a board. This is your digital workspace. Give it a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. List creation. Within the board, create lists to represent different stages or categories. For example, if you're planning a vacation, you might have lists for to-do, packing, and itinerary. Card creation. Add cards to each list to represent specific tasks. Give each card a clear title and add any necessary details, such as due dates or attachments. Labeling and prioritization. Use labels and due dates to prioritize tasks and keep track of progress. Automation. While not strictly necessary, Trello's automation features can help you save time and streamline your workflow. You can create rules to automatically move cards between lists based on certain conditions. The benefits of solo Trello. Organization. Trello's visual interface helps you organize your thoughts and tasks in a clear and concise manner. Flexibility. You can customize Trello to fit your specific needs and preferences. Accessibility. Trello is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, making it easy to stay on top of your tasks. The challenges of solo Trello. While Trello is a powerful tool, there are some challenges that can arise when using it alone. Overwhelm. If you're not familiar with Trello's features or best practices, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed. Lack of accountability. Without a team to keep you accountable, it can be easy to procrastinate or lose motivation. Limited collaboration. While Trello can be used for collaboration, it's not as robust as other tools specifically designed for teamwork. Should you use Trello alone? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a highly organized person who enjoys working independently, Trello can be a great tool for you. However, if you're looking for a more collaborative solution or need additional support, you may want to consider other options. Alternatives to solo Trello. If you're finding it difficult to use Trello alone, here are some alternatives to consider. Asana. A popular project management tool with a similar interface to Trello, but with more advanced features for teams. Monday.com, a highly customizable platform that offers a variety of templates and automation features. Todoist, a simple and intuitive task management app that focuses on productivity. So, can you use Trello alone? Absolutely, but whether you should depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a flexible, customizable tool that can help you stay organized, Trello is a great option. However, if you need more advanced features or collaboration capabilities, you may want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.